It's 5:45 a.m. and we're in Glendale, Arizona. And it's very, very, very hot today. Even early in the morning, it's just crazy hot. But I just love to get out there and ride. Helps clear my mind, what there is of it. And for those of you who are wondering how I do the point of view videos, whether it's any fancy equipment, it's not. It's a simple holster. And I put it on once I can figure out how to wear it, and then I put my phone on it and set it to record a video. And once my ride is over, I download it to my computer and edit it into a program called, let me see, what's it called? iMovie. So let's ride. There isn't much traffic this early in the morning, but there is some. And they're like me, they're just all kind of waking up, so we're doing the best we can. Let's be careful out there. Looks like yesterday was garbage day. We're now headed due west, and if I just kept going and went over mountains and everything, there'd be the Pacific Ocean. It'd be a lot cooler there too. But I'm not going to be going very far. I usually only go a few miles. Just get out of the house, just ride around a little bit. And so if you're wondering where I'm going, well, I'm already there. My goal was just to leave, just to get out of the house. Oh, and in case you're wondering why I don't include the sound as I'm riding along, it sounds just terrible. There's not much traffic, but the microphone on my phone just sort of picks up all the noise all over the place. And it sounds like I'm on a tarmac in a windstorm. It's not as quiet as if I were on a nice bike path somewhere, but I'm not. This is suburban Phoenix. This is where I ride. And if you're new to recumbent trike riding, I really, really don't recommend you do what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a long time. It's not particularly dangerous, but it's not as safe as being inside of a vehicle with the windows rolled up and the doors locked. Good morning. I've been doing what I call urban hiking all of my life. Now I do it on a trike. It's taught me to share the world, to give people the benefit of the doubt, to be nice. I haven't driven a car for years, but I remember what it was like. I remember how you felt anxious and nervous and felt like everybody's out to get you. That's car anxiety. Better on my trike. Okay, it's about time to cross over from the city of Glendale to the city of Peoria. Checking my watch. All systems go. My next stop will be the McDonald's where I get my coffee, and it's open 24 hours, so I don't know why I always check my watch. I just like to know what time it is. Welcome to the city of Peoria. Thanks for riding along with me. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.